Welcome aboard Lake Texoma here on the Oklahoma side. Sitting here at the boat dock here in the fish jump, so I'm gonna have to go after him, I guess, just for a little while. Right out there. Come down here to put a hammock up, but come down here and the fish are jumping. You can't help but fish. Oh, got one. Not very big either. Oh man, that's a big one right there though. Exciting. Oh. But on my light action crappie rod, man, these right here are just a blast. That's the way I like catching these little ones. Now they're over across the cove at the other boat dock.
How can you tell? You saw them jump?
I've seen them jumping over there. They're just making a circle. They'll be back over here in a minute. I just had a bite right there though. There's something here. I was just reeling it in so I can move. Got him. Oh, little tiny thing.
Uh-oh, he got off. No, he didn't. Oh, he is little.
This one's cute. Oh, it's a little bass. No wonder it's so little. They're in here feeding too.
How big do the stripers get?
Well, I don't know what the state lake record is for the stripers here, but in Oklahoma, I think it's 40-something pounds for the record. Not on this little black bass. Save a few bucks. This is the better popping cork to use. Has a tie on this end, a swivel on this end, and I just tie a long leader on it and tie 2 crappie jigs. It works better than the other one I was using. I just didn't know I had it down here with me.
Boy, the lake's low, isn't it?
Yeah, the lake's really low right now.
Okay.
Well, lower than what we're used to. They keep it this low in the wintertime a lot of times. Yeah, you got to be careful on the boat because you never know where there's going to be a pipe sticking up where a boat dock was.
Beautiful Lake Texoma in a quiet, peaceful cove. Working on a boat dock over there.
You know what? Fish are up in here feeding because it's the fall, and when the lake cools off, they go up in coves, and the bait fish does, so the bigger fish follows them. There could be a 30-40 pound blue sitting out here. You never know what'll be in here.
What's another sign?
And a lot of times the birds be back up in here, sitting on the bank, ready to feed on the shad.
What kind of birds?
White birds. Need a triple hook on it so that the fish that hit the cork gets caught.
Is it hard to put on?
Now you just put your line through the slot and I wrap it around a few times and pull it down.
How come it's so good to use? You can just see where you're at?
No, the popping makes the fish think there's a fish chasing bait.
Oh.
That pop, 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 you know?
Oh.
That splashing.
Yeah.
Hybrid striper.
Okay. How much do you think he weighs?
Oh, not a pound.
That's fun, wasn't it?
One of them hit this cork.
What are you using for bait?
Well, I got a popping cork on there, and then just a little jig. My float messed up.
What'd you
I need
do?
a float with ties on both ends, so it won't do this. My float's hanging upside down. I got one in the boat. I'm just having fun catching fish instead of changing it out.
The lost cork is almost to the shore.
Fishing in 2 foot of water.
2 foot?
Yeah.
Now why, tell me why it pops like that? They think it's another fish?
Yes, it's like the bait fish that they're chasing.
Uh-huh.
That's what it sounds like when they just makes noise on top of the water, so that they think,
Do they cost very much?
oh no, $2 or $3.
What, another one?
Huh? That was probably a crappie. I just dropped it down here, you know, so I cast it out.
Yeah.
Fixing it, and I caught one.
Wow. Did he get away?
Yeah, he got away.
Where they at?
A house somewhere. If I had my polarized sunglasses, I could see them better. I guess I better put the hammock up. Every time I say that, fish jump.
How's your back feeling?
It's on fire, but I'll survive. That wasn't bad for just a 30-minute fishing spree. Got a few anyway. Well, getting the hammock installed. Gotta do the honeydew, so don't crap about all fishing. So now, if I get tired of fishing, I'll just kick back for a while. Listen to the geese coming in and the fish jumping. Well, usually when the fish start jumping, I get back up though.